has delivered the final engineering and manufacturing development test aircraft for the T-7A Red Hawk program to the U.S. Air Force, completing a crucial phase in the initiative to replace the aging T-38 Talon fleet. Developed in partnership with Saab, the T-7A Red Hawk is an advanced jet trainer designed to prepare pilots for the next generation aircraft, like the F-35 Lightning II and the B-21 Raider. The EMD phase involved rigorous testing to assess performance, safety, reliability, really ensuring that the aircraft meets modern training requirements. And then with that phase complete, the program is going to transition to low-rate initial production, setting the stage for full-scale production in the coming years. So they're getting ready, getting all the bugs out of the process. The T-7A features advanced avionics, open architecture systems, and digital fly-by-wire controls, which is some cutting-edge training platform for the future pilots. I mean, this is big for Boeing. This is good, delivering state-of-the-art training solutions.
I think we're speaking to already. It's not just delivering cutting-edge jets. It's making sure this Red Hawk bridges the gap between training and next-gen combat readiness. It's like giving someone, if you like, a Formula One car and to learn how to drive. They better be ready for the real race that's out there.
Yeah.
I mean, I think this one's all about the training. It's getting the knowledge and skills into the hands of the pilots, which is what this was designed for. The T-7A Red Hawk is an advanced jet trainer engineered to prepare the U.S. Air Force pilots for all of those state-of-the-art aircraft that they've got, right? So I think right now this phase is focused on the rigorous evaluation of the aircraft's performance, of the safety, reliability, ensuring it meets those demands of modern pilot training. But the key here is going to be delivering all of this correctly 351 times and then 46 times for ground-based training. So you've got to figure out, how do we make sure this works, but also make sure that it's quality, consistent, repeatable, and done a bunch of times.
Yeah, I mean, I know this kind of Red Hawk it's packed with all of the tech ready for the next gen fighter. The real test for me is making sure that it doesn't overwhelm the pilots who are learning on it. If that Red Hawk systems are too advanced, we might end up training a first gen of fighter pilots who need an IT support team in the cockpit, with them.
I want to make sure that the training is accurate to real world situations, that it handles all the things that could happen in the real world, and that the training is, training the pilots the skills they're going to need. But it's still, all this has to be delivered at scale. And actually right now they're planning on starting slow with a low rate initial production and LRIP to lay the groundwork for the full scale production in the years ahead.
Right. So solving it, a couple of three things maybe for me: making sure that performance validation, making sure that whole thing is seamless to prepare for the LRIP. Second up, avionics and systems integration to make sure that you're supporting realistic training scenarios, and then continuous feedback loops from testing to refine production and pilot training modules as you go forward. See you next week.